Do you love making smoothies, soups, sauces, and more, but hate having to deal with multiple appliances and tools? Do you wish you could have a powerful and reliable blender that can handle any ingredients and recipes you throw at it? Do you want to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills without spending a fortune on expensive equipment? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need to check out the Vitamix 5200 blender. Designed as the ultimate kitchen essential, the Vitamix 5200 comes equipped with a spacious 64-ounce container, perfectly suited for blending anything from generous smoothie batches to luscious desserts, catering effortlessly to family meals and entertaining occasions. Dive into a realm of precision and control with its variable speed control. The adaptable dial empowers you to tailor the texture of your blends at any stage of the blending process. Harnessing patented designs and sheer power, the Vitamix 5200 ensures every ingredient, including the tiniest of seeds, is thoroughly pulverized, guaranteeing impeccably smooth blends time after time. Witness the remarkable efficiency. The high-speed blades of the Vitamix 5200 create friction heat, transforming chilled ingredients into steaming hot soups in a mere 6 minutes. Upon investing in the Vitamix 5200, you receive not only the robust motor base but also a classic 64-ounce container, a classic tamper, and an insightful getting started guide to elevate your blending experience. Belonging to the esteemed Legacy series, this blender's dimensions perfectly suit any countertop. With a powerful 2 peak horsepower, a generous 64-ounce capacity, and a construction utilizing BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester material, the Vitamix 5200 stands tall as the quintessential household blending solution. Elevate your culinary escapades and expedite meal preparations with the Vitamix 5200 blender. Unleash your culinary creativity and relish the boundless possibilities this versatile blender offers right at your fingertips. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about the Vitamix 5200 blender. This is a great blender for food lovers who want versatility and reliability, and I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a new blender. If you want to buy this blender, you can find the link in the description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this blender and what kind of foods you like to make at home. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I post new videos every week, where I review the latest and greatest gadgets for food lovers. So, stay tuned for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.